Hello, welcome to week 8 now, Curriculum 722. We are looking at designing organizational change as our topic, and that will be your assignment is about organizational change. So we'll start out on Thursday looking at an article here on using the design process in making systemic changes. Or so this is just an article to read, to think about, and see how, we already talked about how the instructional design process can help make major changes. You go through a process and you analyze it, and it's a very analytical, very methodical, scientific, or whatever you want to call it, approach using data and all this stuff to solve problems, to create a better learning environment. So this discussion, find one more article related to this topic, and as a reference, and then reply to someone Monday as usual. And then the discussion on Saturday is about leadership and change. And again, just look ahead to the assignment, and you'll be creating a whole change process, you want to call it. So you need to you need to find two articles of your own here about leadership, and we want to have a discussion here about leadership and creating organizational change, because that's what you'll be doing in the assignment, okay, for week 8, your final assignment. And to look now at that assignment, it is a presentation, around 12 to 14 or so slides, using voice, and some notes as necessary, when needed. And this is the chance to write whatever you want. This could be something of your workplace, it could be made up workplace, it could be what you would like to see at your workplace, even if maybe you don't think you have the support or whatever. This is a paper, okay? So what you would like to see is this organizational change to whatever organization you want to do. Remember, the design process, you can use it on any organization, business, training project, adults or children or whatever, okay? And so this is your chance to write what you would like to see, and you support it, and be sure to use the rubric. And it basically goes through these bulleted items. Make sure you have this, and you'll be fine, okay? And there are, we can design what we want to design in a society. And I posted one of my articles that I wrote called Creating a Constructive Community, Learning Community, through using Montessori and the probe method. And I posted that on week 7 announcement. And then I have a couple books that I've published recently about changing the goals of education to freedom, love, and joy. And that will basically change our society and our world. When you change the environment that children grow up in, then you'll change society, and that's vital in my opinion. And so I hope you've enjoyed the course. I know I've enjoyed working with you. If you have any questions for this week's assignment, please let me know. Keep in touch. All right.